Hey, it's John with JohnLaGuardia.com bringing you tips and tools for outdoor adventure. And on this episode, we're going to be doing a review of the Cotopaxi Moda 20-liter backpack. Let's get it. I love reviewing Cotopaxi products because they're really innovative and they use a lot of recycled materials in their designs. In addition to that, I agree with them when they say you're going to love this backpack. They say you'll love it because of its unique shape and innovative design. It also has some essential features like side water bottle pockets and an internal laptop sleeve. This backpack can be taken with you on your bike commute to work or out on a day hike adventure. The Moda is produced in the Philippines in a factory that's committed to fair social labor and environmentally sound practices. The factory also partners with Cotopaxi to reduce waste by using repurposed fabric. This is how the Dia collection was born. Moda is currently one of 3 great products in this collection. The Cotopaxi Moda comes in at $115 and it's available in multiple colors: black, spruce, mezcal, iris, and graphite, which is the one in this review. The size of this backpack is 21 by 11 by 8 inches or 53 by 28 by 20 centimeters, and this is a 20-liter pack. So in my reviews, I like to give both pros and cons at the beginning so that you kind of have an idea of where I'm going with the review. For pros on this particular backpack, it has a really unique lightweight design. It also is really durable, has some great durable fabric on the front here, and it has a top-loading design, which is pretty innovative. So we'll see more of that here in a minute. For cons, while the fabric is water resistant, it's not completely waterproof, and I think that could be a benefit to use more of this front material on the rest of the pack to make it waterproof. In addition to that, like I say with most backpack reviews, please include a rain cover with this backpack. All backpacks should have some sort of rain cover included. For rating categories on this backpack, I judged it in 4 areas: design, comfort, value, and features. And if you'd like to know how I graded this backpack in each of the rating categories, stick around and I'll dive into the details for you. If you're getting some value out of this, please hit that like button. For a quick summary, I really enjoyed testing out this backpack on some day hikes up near Yellowstone National Park. I was in Gardner, Montana, and also West Yellowstone, where I had the opportunity to get out on a couple day hikes. In the category of design, the Moda has a unique shape that I noticed immediately after unboxing it. Not only is it functional, it also looks great. If you haven't seen my unboxing video, be sure to check that out as well. I'll leave a link in the description down below. The cinch top is also a delightful change from the typical zipper top that can be found on most bags. And another thing that really sets this pack apart from others is the unique color combinations that are available. For design, I gave this a rating of 5 out of 5. In the category of comfort, the padded adjustable shoulder straps and the padded back panel's curved design create a comfortable combination for short hikes from the trailhead or a quick bike ride to and from work. During the 2-day hikes that I tested this pack on, I had the pack fully loaded with a DSLR camera body, large 70 to 200 millimeter lens, a small 50 millimeter lens, a jacket, compass, headlamp, food, and a 32-ounce Nalgene bottle full of water. So I was able to get quite a bit into this backpack. On both hikes, I was quite comfortable, and I really didn't experience any shoulder or back fatigue. That was really great. In the category of value, although this 20-liter backpack comes in at a price point a bit higher than other similar backpacks on the market, at $115 MSRP, the Cotopaxi Moda is still a good value. You're getting a pack that's environmentally friendly because it's made with repurposed fabric that would otherwise end up in the landfill. In addition, you help support workers in the Philippines. And one thing that I would encourage Cotopaxi to do is just provide a lightweight rain cover at no extra cost to the consumer. This would increase my rating in this category to 5 stars. In terms of features, adding to the value of this pack are the well thought out design features like the cinch top strap system for easy top loading into the main compartment of the pack. The zipper system on the pockets of this pack are also effortless to use. Now, there are 2 side water bottle pockets for both medium and large size water bottles, and 2 additional pockets, one towards the top of the pack and one near the shoulder straps. The pocket towards the top of the pack adds a medium-sized space for a lightweight jacket and has a convenient key clip. The pocket near the shoulder straps is quite large and includes soft dividers for a laptop and numerous accessories. On the inside of the main compartment, there's a small pocket towards the top of the pack that's perfect for maps, a compass, and some fire lighting tools. On the outside of the pack, there are numerous daisy chain loops for attaching other gear to the pack. The daisy chain webbing exists on the shoulder straps, on the front of the pack, and on the top opening panel. You know, another feature that really impressed me was the outer pack material on the front and bottom panels. Those panels are made from weather-resistant recycled 840D TPU coated nylon, which gave me confidence that I could set this pack down on any dirt trail or rocky outcropping without compromising the integrity of the fabric. Now, if I were to add any feature to this backpack, it would be an integrated whistle buckle on the chest strap. Those specialty buckles come in handy in emergency situations and would give the consumer added peace of mind. So to give you a pro tip, when you're opening this pack, simply grab both straps at the top and pull open. It's just really quick and easy to access the inside of this pack that way. In order to cinch it up, just pull on the drawstring and you're good to go. And now here's a quick list of features direct from the Cotopaxi website. Easy access cinch top closure, durable front face and base panel fabric, quick access front pocket, front panel daisy allows you to clip extra gear onto the pack, suspended laptop sleeve that fits up to 15-inch laptops, soft durable mesh back panel, shoulder strap daisy chains allow for removable sternum strap, bottom grab handle, curved lower lumbar for ergonomic shape and fit, expandable mesh water bottle pockets. The technical specs on this backpack are as follows: 20 liters or 1,220 cubic inches, 21 by 11 by 8 inches or 53 by 28 by 20 centimeters. It's 1 pound 9 ounces or 708 grams. The front panel and bottom are weather-resistant recycled 840D TPU coated nylon. The main body is made from weather-resistant recycled 630D nylon with TPU coating. The top closure is made from 150D poly ripstop. The Cotopaxi Moda 20-liter backpack is a lightweight, functional design with eye-catching colors and a great cinch top closure. This backpack can easily transition from everyday work to weekend adventures, and I highly recommend it. Check down in the description below for a link to this great product, and we'll see you in the next video.